Hi everybody, how are you? I'm waiting for the train to come. There's a train coming soon. I'm going to try and drone it. It should be here in a minute, so I'm going to get set up and hopefully catch it. And hopefully nothing will go wrong. I haven't been out for a few weeks because the weather's been shit, but it's nice today. It's getting better. It's cold. It's like 3 degrees, but can you hear it in the distance? Anyway, I'll pack up. That's me. Hope you enjoy it. And that's that. And have a good Christmas. See you later. Bye. Okay, here we go. Before I miss it. Oopsies. Okay. Wish me luck.
Take off. The home point has been updated. Please check it on the map.
Okay. Hang on a second. Alright, wish me luck. I hope this goes well. I'm not going to go too high, and I hope nothing happens. The wind is a little bit out, but I want to get this train if I can. I think we're high enough there. Can you see it in the distance? Hang on a minute, I'm just going to roll wheel down a little bit. Okay. I don't want to go too high, so you can see it. Hang on. Can you hear it chugging? And I also don't want to be in that cloud of steam, neither. Can you hear it in the distance? I'll just be quiet for a second. I'm going to go slow movements today. I wonder if it's coming here. Hope it does. Okay, we're alright yet. I'm going into the wind, so when I come back I'm alright, but let's just try and get this picture. That's the main thing. See if I can do it. I'll be happy if I can. I'll just go up a little bit more. Whew. We're being pushed. No, not yet. Here it comes. Oh, he's going for it. I'm going to try and go on the side. This is going to be hard, right? I'll go back. Faster than that. Ooh, hang on. Sorry, I know it's a bit iffy. I can't see the drone now. I wish I could, but I can't. I'm just going to take it up a bit just in case he's out there, alright? Bit nervous doing this, to be honest. But we're doing it. Okay, let's have a look. I want to see the drone first, if I can, pretty quick. Come on, drone, where are you? Oh, here we are, I see it. I can go a bit closer now. I'll go a bit closer, okay? I'll go a bit closer. Woohoo. Alright. You see? That's it. That's not a bad shot. I'll go a little bit closer. I've got to watch I don't get too close. Hang on a minute. Slowly away. I thought I'd missed the shot, but I saw it, so I thought I'll go for it. I don't think there's ultimate way there. I want to go a little bit closer if I can. What do you think? It's a nice old train, isn't it? Yeah. Just go over it if I can. Try and go over it now. Okay. Bear with me. I've got to watch where I go, okay? It's quite going now. Go a little bit higher, I think. I'll just follow it around the corner, okay? I can't really see, so it's a bit guessy here. I hope I'm high enough for anything. So I hope I don't hit anything. Going a little bit higher, okay. Just hang on a sec. I'll let you watch it go. A bit nervous filming this. But it's alright. It's gone well. So far so good. Look at that. Okay, we'll get out of the way of that cloud, I think. Keep going. A little bit higher. Okay, we're going to come back soon. That's took all my battery though, filming that. Alright, I think we'll let it go at that, okay? That's it, you've seen it now. So we'll come back to me. And we'll go along, okay, let's go back. We did a good one though there, I'm happy with that. That worked out really well. That was a nice shot. How are we coming back? 10. So let's go down a bit, because we're a little bit high. I've got plenty of juice to get back, so it's alright. It's not a problem. Anyway, this is the first time I've been able to come out in days, because the weather's been really bad. But today, well, I thought to myself, I'll try now. I'll just show you this quarry if I can. Hang on a minute. I'll just get a bit closer to myself because it's fighting the wind a little bit, but I knew it would, but it was worth it. Well worth it to get the train. You don't know how fast I had to speed up just to pull in and get it out and get going. Took a bit. Okay, we're coming back now. Now then, I don't usually ask, but if you would like to subscribe and hit the like button, it'll help. So if you can, and if you want to, that's great. If you will, I'll appreciate it. If not, well, it's alright. Hope you enjoyed the train anyway. I thought it was quite good. It was quite good. What are we on? 58. That zapped, just hovering there then, with the wind blowing and all the rest of it, that zapped all my power. It's got down to 58% now. I'm going to show you this quarry when I get a bit closer. I just want to get a bit closer to home so I can see it. Here we are, here we are. Here we are. Right, I can show you the quarry now, hang on. I'll just turn slowly. Hey. This train takes cement from the cement works, and here's a quarry. Ooh, careful. What do you think? That's it. That's the quarry. I've never seen this before, so it's a first for me. Tell you what, I'm not going to stay too long at the quarry. I'm going to come back now, okay? I think we're running a little short on battery, so I think that's it. I'm happy. So far, it's had no hiccups. That's where I pulled in. See car there, last minute. Lastminute.com, this one, straight in. Try and get that train. But I enjoyed that. That was good. I hope it looks good on the 4K, what I've done. Alright. Great. Hang on a second. Oh, I think I'm going to land somewhere else. That's a bit tight. Is that landing? So I'll land here. Okay. Landing, here we go. Come on.
Landing.
Not bad. Oh, I hope that worked out well. Hope you enjoyed it. Alright, cheers. See you later. Anyway, and have a good Christmas all, yeah, okay? So, enjoy yourself if you can. And I know it's a bit shit at the minute, but it'll turn out alright. Okay? Alright, thanks. See you later. Bye.